Hey YouTube, I'm Jonah and this is my wife Nancy. And we purchased this Ford Transit crew van to convert into a camper van. So join us in our few episodes in this amazing DIY transformation and some of our van life adventures. And if you're new to my channel and you find my video interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. So today, we're at our local Windsor Habitat for Humanity. We're going to see if we can find something for our DIY camper van. We're looking for a cabinet and sink counter. We already have the sink for the van, so here we go. So you guys may or may not know, Habitat for Humanity sells secondhand building materials, and if you don't mind a little cleaning and painting, you'll save yourself a lot of money. We drove a couple hours to an IKEA store to look for cabinets for the van, but we couldn't find it for the tight space we have. Okay, we're at Habitat for Humanity. Look what we found. A little gem right here. Perfect for a panel. Just have to trim it to size. A little big, but we can cut it down. And look at the price. Whoa, $20. Jesus, Murphy. That's the best price in the house. Can't go wrong with that. I think we got ourselves a winner right here at Habitat for Humanity. For $20, can't go wrong. Check this out. Looks like we also got our cabinet here for the counter. We got the sink. We got the cabinet here. 1, 2. Here. And measurements is perfect at the size. I think we got ourselves a winner for this one also. We're gonna paint it black or whatever finesse ones. And we got it for $60. So I think we got our winner right here. Okay, we got a DeWalt one here for $22.99, and it's for wood plastic laminates. This will be perfect for the countertop. And this one here, Irwin blades. This is also good for laminates, plywood and plastic, so very similar. And this is for $13.99. Probably gonna end up getting both of them. All right. And if you guys want to see more of my van build, take a look at my playlist for the 2022 Ford Transit. I documented from the first time we bought the van, installing the Air Max fan, installing the floor, insulation, the bed and frame, and the walls. And now, today, let's do our sink cabinet. So today, Nancy's gonna paint the cabinet we just bought at Habitat for Humanity. So first I thought she was gonna paint it black, but she's gonna go with this gray Bear chalk paint. The color gray to match the van. This is her first time doing chalk paint, but her friend Andrea did it in her house and her furniture, and it looks so nice, so Nancy wanted to try it. And I guess you need a special chalk paintbrush for this. I didn't know that, so here we go. And Nancy just finishing up her first coat of the cabinet drawers. Nancy just finished doing the cabinets and drawers on our second coat. Now we'll let it dry for a good couple hours. And wow, check it out guys. Nancy did a great job. Got new handles, knobs, and hinges. What do you guys think? Comment below. Stay tuned for some of our upcoming van life adventures. Okay, we just tilted the cabinet sideways so I can get the measurements on the bottom floor here. So it's going to be 15 and 3/8. And basically I'm going to cut out a piece of wood, glue it to this part to make it stronger. And then this will be, that wood will be the one I'll be using to screw in and screw it to the floor on that side over there. That side over there. Okay. There's a dry fit right here. That's gonna sit right there. So I'm just gonna notch out this little area. So this area is gonna be coming out here, bottom to here. Okay, so I made that support, a piece of wood, notched out that little shot there, that little area. Then we glue, we put our no nails. Then we're gonna put it on right here into our, we're gonna put it in. There we go. Then we'll strengthen this area here. Put some clamp on it. There, and then I'm gonna clamp it on the other side. Oh shit, oh. 1, 2, 3. Set the line there. Put over here, close up. Okay, I got my 2x4. I'm gonna do a dry fit. See, cause I gotta bolt this to that. So let's see. Okay, looks good. Okay. All right.
Explain away, Mr.
Okay, we've got three of these canisters that's gonna fit right inside our cabinet, a kitchen cabinet. 6 gallon, 23 liters. So this will be our fresh water, and the other one will be a gray water tank. Or vice versa. One of these is going to be gray water, the other two will be fresh water. And I just want to check to see that all three fit in properly. But come take a look over here. We've got enough room. I wanted to put some types of support in here, so we got enough room to put some type of wooden support to make it stronger down there. So we're good. Also, I want to show you guys that we can. I was kind of afraid that we wouldn't be able to take it out because of the drawer, but actually we can easily take it out, tipping it out like this. Bring it out like that, so it easily does come in and go in easily.
The other side too.
Other side also for the gray tank. Also take this out. Good. Right. Okay. Pre-drill some holes right here. So 3 drill the holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now I'm just gonna put it in. Oh, there's a bit. I got it lined up over here. So here's my first. I'm gonna center it. And then there you go. One down, one more to go. Make sure it's flush. Good. More. Good. More here. Okay, get the other wood over here, line it up with the lines I had over here. Then I got to make sure I did my pre-drill holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and here we go. Uh-oh. Dead battery. Here we go again. Okay. And using 2 L brackets, we screw down the cabinets to the floor. And the other side of the cabinet, we also screw down the 2 L brackets to the floor. And just like that, our sink cabinet is done. Okay, stay tuned next week, guys, where we install the counter, the sink, and the faucet. So if you like my video and find it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you always get my latest video. Thanks for watching.